Good evening, this is Theo, and welcome back to Lesson 6 here on Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification on Basic CSS. And again, this is Lesson 6. So here we go, Basic CSS, inherit styles from the body element. So first, create an H1 element, okay, with the text Hello World. Let's go ahead and build that out. Go ahead and format that with prettier. Cool. Then let's give all your elements on the page color of green. So color green. Cool. Finally give your body element the font family of monospace. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Monospace, and let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Alright. Prioritize one style over the other. So we're going to create a CSS class called pink text. Pink text. And this is basically just going to define a color of pink. Give your H1 element this class, pink text, and then we see it gets the color. Good to go. Number 3, override styles. So create an additional class called blue text, and again, intuitively, this will define for us the color of blue. Apply the blue text class to your H1 in addition. Let's see which one wins. So let's apply this. We can see it inherits the second one. Applying multiple classes is done with a space. It doesn't matter which orders the classes are listed, or the order of the class decorations and the style are what is important, right? So basically, it's pink right here, and we can sort of see that now it's pink right here, and now it's blue, and it's pink. So this is what matters. It's actually something I didn't really know before. So it's kind of a cool Easter egg. Nice, cool. Let's go ahead and run this. And let me change this out to be the subsequent. Cool. Let's go ahead and run that. And good to go. Number 4, overriding class declarations by styling ID attributes. So we're going to create a CSS declaration for orange text, and we're going to give it color brown. Doesn't really matter, we'll just say color orange actually. And now what we're going to do is basically just give this the ID of orange text. And we'll see that the ID always takes precedence. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 5, override class decorations with inline styles. So now we're going to give it the style attribute, which is going to be the highest. And we're going to say color is going to be white. And we can see that this takes the precedence, right? And if we look, we can sort of see that go ahead and put this down here. We can see it takes white, then it'll take orange, right? Because orange is defined first, or orange is the ID. Then it'll take blue. So blue is defined last, and then it'll take pink, and then it goes back to green, right? Because that's inherited from the body. And then it goes back to black. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.